So, today I'm going to show you how I tank out a wet room ready for tiles going on. Now it is a wet room, so obviously the shower tray is going to be tiled and obviously the walls are going to be tiled, so we need to make sure it's nice and watertight, just in case any water gets behind the tiles, it's not going to do any damage. So first off, make sure your area is clean, scraped off, nice and flat. And we're going to stick the corner pieces in first that come with the tanking kit. This tanking kit is the actual jack-aboard shower tray tanking kit. So it's probably more beginner friendly than some of the other like sheet sort of ones. So this, you paint this liquid on and it turns into elastic and protects all the plasterboard, and that is really good stuff. You get some tape to go up the walls. So we're going to stick the corner piece in and make sure we paint over it so it's all covered. Get it right in the corner. The aim is to get it right in there, so when the tiles go on, they're not obstructed, you know, there's no tape sticking out. Same with the corner ones, so we're going to stick that on using the paint residue. So we're just going to paint it in before we spread the walls with the roller. Oh, this kit comes with a primer as well, so obviously the walls need priming before you put this stuff on. Sorry, it is a nighttime job I'm doing at the moment, so it was dark, that's why the light's playing with the video a little bit. That's it, make sure that's nice and covered, and we're going to go all around the bottoms as well as up the corners. Again, right in the corner, make sure you get right in there. If it rounds off at the corner any way at all, it really affects the tiles going on. Yeah, and it's just, yeah, it's no good at all. Well, just using a paintbrush for this bit. Yeah, we're going to use the roller. As you can see, I've used tape to fill in the gaps between the plasterboard as well, but we ran out of tape, so I'm going to silicone them other joints that you can see on this wall I'm painting. Basically, you'd want to get it right above head height. It needs to at least be above the shower head, where the shower head's going to be finishing. And nice even coat all the way around. Now once you've done this, you need to wait roughly about an hour for it to dry. It does dry quite quick, to be honest. Then you need to give it a second coat. Obviously any other gaps you need to make sure you silicone, make sure they're all filled in, make sure it's all nice and watertight. There we go, that's ready for a second coat. And after that, once that's dry, you're ready for tiling.